Satyanusaran, The Pursuit of Truth of Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra, Part 8. If anyone do an injustice to you, and you must at all take revenge, behave with him in such a way that it may make him repentant. There is no revenge like that repentance, the fire made of husks. It is blissful to both. Do not abolish friendship, otherwise, in your distress, you will get neither sympathy nor consolation. Even if your friend be dishonest, do not give him up, rather, give up his company if necessary, but with affection in your heart, help him in his distress and danger, in thought, word, and deed, and embrace him when you find he has become repentant. If your friend has gone astray and you do not try to bring him back, or if you give him up, its punishment will not forsake you either. Do not spread scandal about your friend. Don't speak ill of him in any way, but also do not indulge him in any of his faults. Be not arrogant to a friend, but punish him with love and affectionate dignity. Bear no expectation from a friend, but receive with love whatever you may get. Give, but hope not for any return. For anything received, try to reciprocate. As long as you feel pain in your body and mind, keep trying to remove the pain of even an ant. If you don't do this, who is there more deficient than you? If you get a slap on your face and can say, who is beating whom? Then say that for another, well and good. But beware, if you can't think like this in your own case, don't talk like this in the case of another. If you become secular at the time of your own difficulties, don't feign to be spiritual at the time of others. Rather, be spiritual at the time of your own difficulties and secular at that of others. Even such a pretension is good. If you be a man, you will laugh at your own grief and weep at that of others. If you dislike your own death, never say die to others. Laugh, but not in ridicule. Weep, not from self addiction, but from love, devotion. Speak, but for neither self aggrandizement nor fame. Do not hide from a man any example of your character if it be beneficial to him. Let your goodness roll out in deeds, but see that it does not come out in words.